Join us as Ed Sanford of AntiqueToys.com takes a visit to Indian Trail Antiques in Newcastle, Maine. So stay tuned. Just 1 mile off Route 1, we finally arrive at our destination. We are ready to check out this 15,000 square foot 1800s barn with 4 floors of unique antiques. Let's check it out.
Nice to meet you.
And this is where Charles is right now.
Oh, he's not.
He's heading.
He's up there racing the car.
Head to Minnesota.
Oh.
I think that's where they're starting. Up in Minnesota somewhere.
Oh, look at that beautiful bulldog.
There's a few things in here.
Yeah. Neat. Yeah, see?
She's ugly and fat.
Oh, boy. It's kind of interesting to see.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Yeah, you know, you're just one exquisite wife away from collector heaven.
It would help if she was good husband in the day, but it's not a prerequisite.
Look at this stuff.
I'm telling you, this is
Yes.
nothing. You haven't gone
Okay.
3 feet.
Okay. I like the marbles. How do you like the marbles?
Yeah, those are shift.
They look like billiard
Those are great shift knobs.
style. So this looks like more of a museum than a place for sale. Arcade Faggio. You know, fire trucks you run across. Mediums and steel you see out there. But to have so many things out is wonderful. And then you turn the corner and you're like, wow. So this would probably be a T Productions. So it's professionally restored. But the doors make it. Yeah. Motor meters. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh wait, there's something behind.
Yeah,
1959 Fisher body.
That's my set. This is the guy that won in the contest. He got second or third place.
This is the gent that did the work. Nice militaria. Cool. I don't know that howitzer Royal Artillery for Britons. Oh, now that's neat. I like the Germans down there. Too bad. So that's what, Meredith, New Hampshire Museum.
Here you go. You want to go to the popcorn business?
Oh, nice. Not too shabby. I kind of like the Targa myself.